Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, although yeah, that came from Poundland. That's going to be another one of my blow up a balloon and stick it on a radio controlled car and drive it around videos. Okay, back to the proper charity shop stuff. This one, £1.99. VEX Robotics. Is that VEX or V and X? I don't know, that's an E to me. Science and Technology, STEM, Starter, Engineering and Maths. I've had a few other kits like this. This one makes a, what do we call it? Oh, crossbow. The only thing I'm a little bit worried about is I haven't opened the box yet, and in the bottom of the bag, when I got home, I found these, which I think have probably come out of the box. So I guess I better open the box, haven't I? Because there may be other bits that have slipped out. Oh, come on. That's not even a quarter of the parts. Oh, that's going to have to go back. That's no good. No, I'm not having that. I'm normally fairly relaxed about finding bits missing, but that's nearly everything missing. That's hopeless. Oh well, that is a shame. But no, that's no good at all. Very disappointing. Right. I really am disappointed. I'm sorry, I can't put that any other way. Okay, so onwards and upwards. I picked this up because I just wanted to play with it. I've got a Christmas music box that does this. It's one of those ones, you've got the lines and the picture behind it, and as you move there's a tab that's actually pulling the picture between the lines, so you get the animation. But there's pages of them. That's a bit of a cheat, isn't it? Having the same one twice. Then we've got a frog. It jumps. Can we see that clearly? I'm not sure. A pig. Trying to get so we haven't got the glare from behind me. Turn that another way. Yeah, it's not an ideal way to look at this, is it? Oh, how about that? Oh, that's better. I've got the light right, haven't I? Let's go back. Right. Looks okay. Next one. Oh, it's so difficult to get the angle right. Spending too much time on this, aren't I? It's not easy to get it right for the camera. I think that's the point I'm trying to make. Oh, I like that one. Yeah, interesting. I might have a go, seeing if I can make something like it myself. Oh, what's the last one? Yeah, what a fun book. Yeah, great fun. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I just had to buy it. And then finally, I've had quite a few people ask me to do one of these, and I've thought about buying individual dominoes to do it. I mean, Poundland, you can get a pack, but you get, what was it, 28 in a pack? Whereas this one has, how many? I was assuming 600 would be the number, but Domino Cascades 600, you would think. Yeah, 600 dominoes. So I'd have to buy an awful lot of Poundland packs of 28 to get 600. Contains starting ramp, 2 bridges, action seesaw, action spiral, finish flag, 4 metal balls, domino setup tools, 6 setup suggested templates, and 600 dominoes. So let's have a look inside of this. I do hope we got some dominoes in it. That'd be disappointing if this is short, wouldn't it? Oh, they're tiny dominoes though, aren't they? Oh, come on. Oh dear, I thought they were going to be a bit bigger than that. No wonder they managed to get 600 in the box. They're taking the mick, aren't they? I nearly said a rude word then. Taking the mick's probably wrong as well. I bet that balance is there, and then you push that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh well, we'll set it up and have a look. But I'm disappointed with the size of them. Ah, 2 disappointments in one day. Oh well. We will see.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.